Hello friends, my name is Swakela. I study in second standard, Division B. In this lockdown, my mom gave me some information of Indian currency note. I will tell you about Indian currency note. This is 50 paisa. This is 1 rupees. This is 2 rupees. This is 5 rupees. This is 10 rupees. These all are coins. Now I will tell you about notes. This is 10 rupees note. This is 20 rupees note. This is 50 rupees note. This is 100 rupees note. This is 200 rupees note. This is 500 rupees note. This is 2000 rupees note. If I want to buy this ball and its price is 40, I will give to shopkeeper 50 rupees and shopkeeper will give back to me 10 rupees. This way I learn Indian currency. Thank you. Bye-bye.